Hi everybody, welcome to week 8 of our class, which runs from Wednesday, October 5th to Tuesday, October 11th. Alright, now we're going to start getting into hypothesis testing. This is where you see if behaviors will change. Now, what this involves is an independent variable, which is a treatment, to a dependent variable, which is which you are testing for. And in hypothesis testing, we have two types of testing. There's the t-test that measures the means difference between two groups, and you got your ANOVA, which we'll get into later, which tests the mean difference among groups to see if the independent variable did change behavior. All right, let's scroll down. I think you all know my information. You all know about the discussion section. I think by this time you know about the statistical tutor, so I shouldn't have to take you there. And again, if you have questions about statistical tutor, put them in the Ask the Professor folder. And please remember, you got your critical review assignment, which is due week 9, which is next time. By this time, you should have already read the article, and you have already should have written the rough draft. Now, you have a choice. I suggest that you submit. I have two suggestions. One, you can submit your paper to the writing center, have them look it over, or you can submit your paper to a friend and have them read it and proofread it and see if they learn from it. Remember, in this assignment, you're the teacher, and I'm going to be the reader. I'm the student. You're going to be teaching me what you learned about the article and how you feel about the content of the articles, and that's what you criticize. Last session, I went over the directions with you, so by this time you should be okay in that. So hopefully you've already at least written a draft of it. And if you wish, you can submit your paper to turn it in and have that service look over your paper. And please remember, before I forget, last time I showed you all the headings, subheadings that you should use. Please use those headings, because that will definitely help you organize the paper. Organization of the information is just as important as the information itself. Alright, your only assignment this week is Quiz 8, and we'll go there in a moment. Alright, let's go to class. I already have week 8 up here from the content section. Again, I suggest you start at the top, work your way down. I believe this is my PowerPoint with hot links for you. I suggest you look at Dr. Brune's Zoom presentation. Alright, and let's go to activities. Let's go down to quizzes. And scroll all the way down. There are 2 practice quizzes for you. If you wish to use those, you can do the practice quiz and then submit your and then if you have questions, go to the statistical tutors. But here is the quiz 8. Now this all deals with comparing the difference between two groups. When I was an elementary school teacher, I used to use what's called pair sample t-test. This is where you compare the means difference before and then after. For example, when I was ready to teach a unit, I used to give my elementary school students some type of like quiz, just to see what they knew about the topic. Then I would teach them, I would grade them, of course. Then I would teach the students whatever that topic was, and that would be the independent variable, because that's the treatment that changed their behavior about what they were learning. And then afterwards I would give them the same quiz to see if they did learn, and that would be your dependent variable. How much did they learn after the lessons themselves? And that's from the pair sample t-test. So you're going to be learning all about that. Alright, let's go here. Okay, I think I did quizzes already. Yeah, I did quizzes. And again, divide up your time during the week to do this. Please don't wait till the last moment. Alright, and again, academic support. You got your effective writing center, your turn it in, and your tutoring. Alright, let's go back here. I'm scrolling up. I think I said about all I need to say for this week. All right, this is Dr. Chasen signing off.